Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Nothing Ears. So let's starting. Let's starting with volume down and volume up. So if you press and hold on your left earbud, you will lower the volume. Just press and hold like I have right now. As you can see, I'm just hold it and that's it. If you press and hold on your right ear, for the right one, you will increase the volume. So as you can see, I just increase the volume. So let's make again, mute it. Now, if you press 2 times on your left or right earbud, you will play next track. So 1, 2. Okay, maybe I should play a song here to make it. So I'm just press 1, 2. And I just play next track. And if you press 3 times on your right one or left one, you will play previous track. So 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it worked. If you just press 1 time on your right one or left one, you will play and pause the song. So now I play a song, I pause the song, and if I press again, I will play a song. Yeah. Sometimes it didn't work, but it should work. And the last one, if you press and then press and hold on your right one or left one earbud, you will call your assistant. So 1, and then I press and hold. And as you can see, I just call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!